Everyone. You are welcome to our YouTube channel for today's live streaming. So anywhere you may be all over the world, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good day to you in any continent of the world that you are connected to us from. So this is TOSJOHN Consulting. So we are back once again on today's live streaming, which promises to be exciting, interesting, and definitely, like we've said, that this year 2026 we will always be showing up on our YouTube channel to give you all the business strategies and information that you need to scale and to thrive in this year 2026. So as you can see in the flyer of our YouTube live streaming this morning, so it is an interesting conversation. This is an interesting live streaming, and we want you to journey with us in today's live streaming, which promises to be very, very interesting. So you can see how to turn your accounting records into real cash. How to turn your accounting records into real cash. So we'll be giving you information on all of this in today's live. So your accounting record is as very important as anything, and it can give you a leverage. Your accounting record can give you a leverage, can change everything for you. So it is very important you take your accounting record very, very seriously. So it is important you take your accounting record very, very seriously. So how to turn your accounting record into real cash is today's live streaming title, and we want you to follow along with us. So if I told you that your accounting records are sitting on thousands, millions of naira, you are not using it, and you are not using it. You have there was a story of a man, right? Is a practical life story, right? The man was about going bankrupt. How to turn your accounting records into real cash. So please, if this is your first time of joining our YouTube live streaming, please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. This channel is for all business owners, all entrepreneurs, all professionals, regardless of the size or level of your business. So this channel is for you. So please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and this channel is open 24/7 to all business owners all over the world. So please subscribe. So the story of this man was that of course he has a business, right? It's a true life story that has happened, right? The person is an entrepreneur, right, in the agricultural sector. So he has a land, but it seems like things were not working for him. Even though he has a land and everything. He doesn't know what to do and all of that. And he didn't know that he was sitting on a gold mine. So he was almost going bankrupt. Almost. And almost is like you are already bankrupt. So an oil company, right, approached him because they saw something on his land. But this man was not even putting the land into any productive use. All the produce that was on that land was not even yielding anything. So the oil company, they cited that land. They said, this land, there must be oil on this land. And the person that has the land was almost going bankrupt. They said oil must be on the land. So they approached this entrepreneur, it's a business owner, that can we dip into your land? Like, we want to dip into it, we want to check it. They ask permission from him because he is the owner of that land. They ask permission from him. So by the time they start digging, just a little digging, oil started gushing out. On that land, oil started gushing out. And the man from bankruptcy became a multi-billionaire. Became a multi-billionaire. So there are great potentials, right, for you as a business owner, as an entrepreneur, that you are sitting on and you are not aware of. And this is one of it: how to turn your accounting records into real cash. So please, if this is your first time of joining our YouTube channel, please make sure you subscribe. So we'll be giving you, all the practical, information in a practical life sense on how you can turn your accounting records into real cash. So many businesses have money trapped inside their books. You have money trapped inside your books, and definitely, we'll be showing you how to unravel all those, untapped resources, untapped information that can generate, money for you. So we'll be showing that to you in this live streaming section, and that is why we have made it upon ourselves to always, be showing up on this YouTube channel. So please, if this is your first time of subscribing, of joining our YouTube live streaming, please make sure you subscribe. This live streaming is to all business owners all over the world, anywhere you may be. This channel is for all business owners, all entrepreneurs, all professionals. So if you have questions as regards your business, your entrepreneur, ventures, and your professional careers, please give us, a comment. Leave us a comment, and we will attend, to it. So if you run a business in Nigeria, in any part of the world, and you don't keep proper records, you are not just risking penalty. You are not just risking penalty. It's not just about, penalty. Even though penalty is there, you are literally leaving cash on the table. You are leaving cash on the table. It was Warren Buffett that said that accounting is the language of the business. And this same Warren Buffett made billions of naira. He became a billionaire by reading accounting books, accounting records, accounting information, and he invested and he made a whole lot of money. So your books of accounts, the accounting records, is a gold mine for you, and you must take it very seriously in this year 2026. So your books is equal to your money. Your books, it is equal to your money. So you need to take it very, very seriously. So welcome back to TOSJOHN Consulting, where we help business, stay compliant, give them business strategy, make them profitable, and we make them financially smart and stable. That is why you need to choose us as your business support growth partner. We are your business growth support partner. So you can choose us. You can, reach out to us to serve you in any of your business area. So in this video, definitely, just like we've said, we'll be showing you practical ways to turn your accounting records into real cash in year 2026. It is real practical live streaming session, and your books is your real money. This is not theory, this is practical for all business owners all over the world. So please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Make sure you like this video so that you don't miss any of our business insights videos for tax, for accounting, for audit, for CAC, for every business compliances. We are always here to give you all the business insights information. So as we move on in this live streaming section, section 1 is that why records is equal to cash. Why is record? Why is it equal to cash? We'll be showing you in this live streaming. So please make sure you stay true on this live streaming as we continue to give you this practical information. So you must know this, that Your records can help you to recover money from banks. Your records can help you to recover money from banks. Your record, it can help you to recover money from bank. There are some businesses, in fact, we've seen those businesses that banks will deduct money, excess bank charges, and it is not justifiable. This money, they are not based on what the bank's supposed to do. They are doing excess. And if you don't keep record, how will you know that banks have, done excess charges on your bank account? You will not know. So that is why you need to keep a proper book of account. So recover money from banks with your accounting books, with your accounting records. So you can see that it's a real money. We've seen clients, that we've been able to recover, money, excess money from their bank account, and they reach out to us too in millions. So you can see that your accounting records is your real money. So you need to take it very seriously. Then you can use it to reduce tax legally. You can use your accounting records to reduce tax legally. It's legal. It's not evasion. It's legal. We as tax consultants, as business consultants, we've been helping clients to reduce their tax liability legally. Of course, before that can be done, there must be a proper book of account in place. Before this money can be reduced. This tax liability can be reduced. And some people are still surprised that whenever we have conversation with them about tax, that you are not paying tax on your total income, on your total revenue. You're only paying tax on your profits. And how will you know your profits? If you don't keep proper book of accounts, you cannot know your profits. How will you know amount of tax that you are meant to pay? Book of accounts. So you can see that if you don't keep proper book of account, you might be paying excess taxes. But if you keep proper book of account, for example, a company or a business that is not keeping proper book of account, is not taking their accounting records seriously, and when tax comes, they are paying, for example, maybe 2 million as tax. But another company that is keeping a proper book of accounts, after they have done all their records, prepare all their accounts, at the end of the day, they are only paying 2 million. Look at the difference. 18 million is a whole lot. So you can see that your book of accounts is your real money. Then your book of accounts can improve your profit. It can help you to improve your profit, because by the time you are keeping your book of accounts on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, you'll be comparing the sales. Okay, this is the sales that you made this first week, this second week, this is the sales, this month to this month, this is the sales. So your book of accounts will help you, right, to compare your business, record, your business information, comparison, one week to another week, one month to another month, and you can easily forecast. So your book of accounts is very important, and we are here to help you to put your book of accounts in place. We do financial structures for business. Then another thing, getting funding or loans. You can get funding and loans from the bank with your proper book of accounts. So please, if this is your first time of connecting to our YouTube channel, please make sure you subscribe and let us know where you are connecting to us from. So how you can get rich, there are many ways you can get rich legally. And one of the ways is when you are doing a lawful business. If you are doing a lawful business, you can make wealth from that. And if you have money, okay, thank you very much for joining us from Chicago. We appreciate you. So there are many ways you can make money. Do you have a business idea? Let us hear from you. If you have a business idea, you can venture into business, right? But if you are into paid employment, right, if you don't have time for business, or if you have time to spare, you can do side business. Side business. We have videos on our YouTube channel. You can businesses that you can do. We have it on our YouTube channel. Just check it out. You will see it there. How to make wealth. You can make wealth legally by doing business, by investing. Even if you are working in a paid employment, you can also have a side business that you be running, or a passive income for investment. So there are many ways you can make wealth legally, and we have said it on this YouTube channel. Don't rush in making wealth, in getting rich. Get rich quick syndrome can put someone into trouble. Get rich quick syndrome can get people into trouble. Be patient and be consistent with your lawful business, with your lawful enterprise, and you build wealth consistently. Even if you are investing in federal government bonds, in trade, over time you build it. If you are not a risk taker, all those, thank you very much, you're welcome. So all these federal government investments in the banks, you can turn it over time. If you are not a risk taker, right, you can use all those federal government investments and then build wealth over time. And some of the investments, we have some of them that will give you between 15 to 20% return annually. They are there. So we have all these videos on our YouTube channel. You can check it out. What you can do, the business that you can do, the investment that you can do. And that is why we are always showing up on this YouTube channel. So if you are a professional, young professional, mid-level professional, experienced professional, business owner, entrepreneurs, anywhere all over the world, that's why we are a global business consulting firm. And that is why you need to subscribe to this YouTube channel. You need to subscribe to this YouTube channel, because we are always showing up to bring you every necessary information that will help you to scale and thrive in your career. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on your notifications so that you always get our video every time we come online or upload a video. Then another thing that your accounting record will do for you is to avoid penalties. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for subscribing. We appreciate you. And help us share this video to people that need all this information. And we are open 24/7 on this YouTube channel for every business concern, career concern, anything, business, career, everything. We are available on this YouTube channel. So it will help you to avoid penalties. Right? We've approached clients, or clients have approached us and reached out to us that tax authority have come, they have slammed them with penalty, and when we get there, no records. They are not keeping record. And the tax authority, they will just use their best of judgment. There's what we call best of judgment, BOJ. Best of judgment, and look at, okay, this business, they have money, they will just size you up and then slam you with the penalty, because you have nothing to show for it. There's no evidence. You don't have records. And tax authority are not patient. They are not patient, because they would have expected you to have done your own work, to have done what you're supposed to do. And if they come and they are not saying that, then penalty is inevitable. They will slam you with penalty. So your accounting record will help you to avoid penalties. And then if your records are messy, your money will be messy. If your records are messy, your money will be messy. You wouldn't want, things to be disorganized. You wouldn't want things, to be chaotic around you in your business. You don't need complexity. You need flexibility. You need simplicity. You need clarity in your business. That is why your accounting record is as important as your business. So If you don't want messy money, you need your books to be put in order, right? And that is why we are here to help you. No records equals to lost cash. No records equals to lost cash. If you don't have record in your business, forget that, okay, I'm a small business, I'm a mid-size. It doesn't matter. Even if you are just starting up, anywhere you are operating from, even from the bedroom of your house, it doesn't matter. So far you are setting out to do a business, keep records of it, right? So you must know that if you don't have records, you are losing cash. It is equal to lost cash. Good record equals to recovered cash. You can recover a lot of money by keeping a proper book of account. Then section number 2 is ways to turn records into cash. 5 ways to turn your records into cash. This is very important. Number 1, recover excess bank charges. 5 ways to turn records into cash. You can use it to recover excess bank charges. Banks, they are all set out to make money from customer. You can see at the end of the financial year, in fact, bank will be declaring billions, 500 billion, 700 billions after tax. Billions, 500, 700, 800, close to 1 trillion in an accounting year end, just for 1 year. It is not that it is bad. It is not bad. It is good. In fact, it is a welcome development. But from all this profit that bank is making, some of them are from excess bank charges that they are charging you. And that is why you need to keep proper book of accounts. You need to keep proper book of accounts. Check your bank statement, post all your transactions daily, track it. Where banks supposed to, just give 5,000 bank charges, debit you with 5,000 bank charges, they are debiting 20,000. You collect a loan, and from that loan, the agreement is to be deducting a charges, interest of maybe 50,000, and banks are doing 70,000, 80,000. It is excess charges. You need to recover it. We've helped clients to recover their excess bank charges in millions. So you need to keep a proper book of accounts. It is very important. So that is another way, right, to turn your records into cash. We said 5. Remember, your bank statement can reveal unfair charges. It is from your bank statement. And that is why we said, don't join your personal transaction with your business transaction. Register your business. We are your CAC accredited agents. Reach out to us. Register your business. Register for tax, right? Onboard on tax platform, and then use your business registration to register your bank account. Use it to register your bank account and do all your business transactions from your bank account. And we said that if you are a business owner, if 200,000, 500,000, it is what your business can pay you, stick to that. Take one salary once in a month. Don't just be spending money unnecessarily, sending money from your bank account anyhow. Look at the way your business is. How much can your business afford to pay you? Then collect that money once in a month and use it in your personal account. Be transferring that one in your personal account. Once you send it to your personal account as salary for the month, then be using it in your bank, in your bank statement, your personal bank statement. Don't module it into your business account. Don't. It's not fair for your business. So when you have your bank statement, which can reveal all unfair charges from your bank account, all those maintenance fees, all those excess transfer charges and hidden deductions. There are some hidden deductions. There are some times that you want to send money and bank will tell you that insufficient fund. You be like, where is the insufficient fund? I have the fund in my account, but there are some hidden charges that will not allow it to go. So all those hidden charges will be revealed from your bank statement. And once it is revealed, right, reach out to a consultant, to TOSJOHN Consulting. We will help you to recover all those bank charges from the bank. So example is this. We have helped businesses, like we said, recover hundreds of thousands, sometimes millions, using their record. It is from your record. You can't tell us that we should help you recover excess bank charges and you don't have record. What do you want us to work with? When we approach bank that you have done excess bank charges from this customer, we are not using word of mouth. Your bank statement will reveal it. Your loan documents, all your transaction documents will reveal it. So you need record. So you can see how your records is a big time money for you. So if you want a bank review, right, just let us know, right? Let us know how we can help you recover your excess bank charges from the bank. We are willing to work with you. Then number 2, reduce your tax legally. Your accounting record can help you to reduce your tax legally. You know, tax is sure. You must pay tax. You must pay tax. Once you are earning, business, profession, vocation, salary, you will pay tax. Except if you are within the threshold of exemption not to pay tax. But you must definitely pay tax, and tax is sure. So your accounting records, right, your book of accounts will help you to reduce tax liability legally. So it helps you to reduce your tax legally. This is very important. So this is very important. It helps you to reduce your tax legally. So when your records are clean, right, you can claim legitimate expenses instead of overpaying tax. For example, we brought a video on this YouTube channel in this Nigerian Tax Reform Act that if you are dealing with an unregistered business does not mean that business that have registered for CAC. Even if they have registered for CAC, if they don't register for tax, they are tagged as unregistered business. So if you are a business and you are compliant, but the business you are dealing with is not compliant, then there will be a problem. There will be a problem. The tax authority will slam you with 5 million penalties. And those businesses that you're supposed to use to reduce your tax liability will not be allowed for tax deductions expenses. It will not be allowed because you are dealing with unregistered business. So in this Nigerian Tax Act 2025, which has taken effect from 1st of January 2026, there are now stricter penalties. Compliances now is not an option. It is compulsory, and it protects you and it serves as an asset for you. So when your records are clean, you can claim legitimate expenses instead of overpaying tax. For example, fuel expenses, repair and maintenance expenses, internet expenses, office supplies expenses, salaries and wages expenses, right? All those ones, they are legitimate expenses. They are wholly and exclusive. Before, we used to use wholly, reasonably, exclusively, and necessary. We call it warrant. But in this Nigerian Tax Act, it is now wholly and exclusively. So the expenses that are wholly and they are exclusive for the business will be used to reduce tax liability. And this is very important. So poor records make you to pay more tax. That is one thing you must know. If you have a poor record, you'll be paying more tax. Good records, on the other way around, make you to pay the right tax. Pay the right tax. Reduce your tax liability legally. Then number 3, improve cash flow. Improve cash flow. What is cash flow? We have brought you so many videos on cash flow, right? Cash flow is money that comes in and money that goes out. And we said that your cash flow is the oxygen of your business. Your cash flow is the oxygen of your business. So you need to take it very important. So your record shows you who owes you money. Your records will show you who is owing you money. For example, yesterday, one of our clients called us. We've implemented accounting software for them. And there's one of their customer that they've supplied goods to, and they need to record it. So they were just asking for, okay, this is how they will do it to record us. Okay, of course, we provide support to all our clients 24/7. So we showed them, we told them, and then they put it on record. So they will be able to know this customer is owing this also time, this also period. So it is very important that you take your record very importantly. Yes. So many businesses forget the debtors, that's the receivables, the customer that are owing them, and they lose cash. For example, there's this live, practical experience. So in one of these business, right, that before we work with them, they were just using manual, like paper, to record, their creditors, their business, and all of that. So when we approached them, we told them, okay, this thing, you need to start using a software. And we introduced accounting software to them, right? But right there in our eyes, a customer came and said, okay, they need to get something, from the business and all of that. And the business said that before we can give you, you need to pay us all the balances that you are owing. And the customer said, how much are we owing? And they went to go and check the record. They couldn't find any record. They couldn't find any record because they are keeping paperwork. So paperwork in this modern digital age will not help any business. So you need to keep a digital record and track all your customers owing you so that you can collect your money and have cash flow in your business. So your books can remind you to collect what is yours. Of course, you've delivered a product, you've delivered a service, render a service. So you need to collect your money. So debtors list, that's receivables. We call it receivables. Those are the customers that are owing you, right? It's equal to your real cash waiting to be collected. Your receivables is your real cash that you are waiting to collect. And we've said this on this YouTube channel. If you are a business and you know that you cannot deal with, customer paying you later, please maintain where you are. If it is that customer will pay you, right, before you deliver your service, render your service or your product, please do that so that you will not, have bad debt in your business. Then another thing, number 4, is get loans or investors. Your books help you to get loans and investors. Some investors are ready to invest in business, but if your books are not correct, if you cannot show your books of accounts, then they will not be ready. They will not be ready to invest in that business. They will not want to invest. They will not want to invest. So that is why you need to take your book of accounts very seriously. And investors are very, very wise. Investors are very, very wise. If you don't do what you're supposed to do, then they will not be willing, right, to work with you. They will not be willing to invest in your business. And that will now mean that you will be losing money from investors. You'll be losing money from investors. Because of what? Because you are not keeping a proper book of accounts. You are not keeping proper book of accounts. You are not keeping records. You are not keeping records. And that will jeopardize your business. it will affect your business. So you don't want that to happen in your business. So keeping a proper book of account is a must. It's a must for you if you want to make money. If you want to make real time money in your business, you need to keep proper book of account. And it's a game changer for you in this year 2026. It's a game changer for you. So you need to take your record very importantly. You need to take your record very importantly. It is very important. Your book of account, it is equal to money for you. So take it very seriously. Take it very seriously. Take it very seriously. And you can reach out to us, right, to put your book of account in place, to give you a proper accounting structure, financial structures. So if this is your first time of connecting to us, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. So we give business strategies, practical business, knowledge, information that will scale and make your business to succeed in this year 2026. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn your notification button on, and like all our videos. Thank you for staying true to this live streaming session. So we said the investors, they will not want to invest in your business, and you will not be able to get loans, right? There are some loans that are good, right? Of course, you want it to scale your business. You can get those loans with a reasonable interest rate, but they will ask you for your records. You will do pitch deck. They will ask you for it. They will check all your records to back up all the figures and numbers that you are revealing. And if your records does not correspond with your figures, with numbers, then that is red flag. You will not be able to get those money. Yes, thank you very much. Yes, from Nigeria, but we are a global business consulting firm. We are a global business consulting firm. And that's why this YouTube channel, right, is a platform for us to reach the global audience. So please, if this is your first time of connecting to our YouTube channel, please make sure you subscribe. This is the right place for you to be as a business owner, as an entrepreneur, as professionals, anywhere all over the world. This is the right place for you to be. So subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let us hear from you about how your business is doing, right? And then we can, work with you, as a tax consultant, as your, business support partner, as your external auditors, as your business consultant. We are versatile, all-round professional. So you can reach out, to us, and we are willing and ready to work with you. I need someone. Okay. All right, no problem. That is well noted. So please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. And where are you reaching us from? Let us know where you are reaching us from. Please make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel as well. Where are you reaching us from? Let us hear from you, so you can, give us a comment, right? You can give us a comment. Let us hear from you. And of course, we'll respond to you appropriately. All right, thank you very much. Yes, so let us know where you are reaching us from, your location, right? And then we'll keep in touch with you. So we appreciate you for joining this live streaming session. Thank you very much. So the investors, they are very tactical, they are very wise, and no investor wants to put their money in the wrong place. You wouldn't want to put your money, and before you know it, that money has disappeared. So investors will not want to do that. So that is why your book of accounts, your records are very important to them. So no bank or investor gives money to a business with bad record. It is not possible. If you don't have record, they won't even, continue. They will discontinue immediately, because that is a red flag for them. So your financial statements are your business CV. Your financial statement is what? Is your business CV. They are your business CV. Your financial statement, we have the income statement, which we call profit or loss account. We have the statement of financial position, which we call balance sheet, and we have cash flow statement. These are the very three key important financial statements that is your business CV. That's what is showing your business CV, your curriculum vitae. That's what is showing it. So if your records are messy, definitely you cannot have good financial statements. So you need to keep your record intact. And now you know the 2025 filing is already on for CAC, for tax, company income tax. Oh, okay. Okay, all right. This is well noted, right? This is well noted. So we'll keep in touch with you. So since you've subscribed to our YouTube channel, we'll keep in touch with you. Thank you very much. So continue to stay true to our YouTube channel, and definitely too you'll be getting some insight and information, right, that will help you. And if you have anything for you as well, we also reach out to you. Thank you very much. So as we are saying, the compliances for year 2025, the filing is already on, like employees are filing, right, which the deadline is 31st of January 2026, right? All right, this is well noted. All right, this is well noted. Thank you very much. So all those filing, right, they are already on. Returns filing. And if you don't do that, there's penalty awaiting you. And we don't want that for you. That's why we are always showing up here to give you all the necessary information. So you need to take cognizance of all this information and act on them, right? Your CAC annual filing for 2025 is on already. Your company income tax filing is on already. Clients start reaching out to us for their filing and all of that. So you need to do the same and reach out to us, right? So profit or loss account, we've said it, the income statement, the statement of financial position, which is called balance sheet, and cash flow statement are the three critical financial statements that must be ready and available any day, anytime, clean for your business, which is your business CV. You need to take it importantly. Then number 5, avoid penalties. When you avoid penalties, equals to save money. You avoid penalty, you save money for your business. When you avoid penalty, you save money for your business. So penalties are wasted cash, because penalties means that you're supposed to have done this thing earlier on, but you didn't do it. You allow it to late, and then penalty now come up. So it is a wasted cash that you can easily avoid. Proper records keep you compliant and penalty free. Proper records keep you compliant and penalty free. So you can see how your accounting records will save you a lot of money and then bring money to your business. So in year 2026, just like we have said, the tax authorities in this Nigerian Tax Act are stricter than ever. The penalties now are more heavier. So you need to do the right thing. And then you need a consultant like TOSJOHN Consulting, like us, to work with you. So reach out to us. Then in section number 3, you should do from now on. What you should do starting from today in putting the right things together: keep bank statements monthly. Keep bank statements monthly. This is one thing important you need to do. Then another thing, track all income expenses. Track all income expenses. It is very important. And when you are sending money from your bank account, put narration, put description, what it is meant for, put it there. Because this will help you to track every transactions of your business. Then you need to separate personal and business money. We cannot overemphasize this. We have said it over and over that you need to separate personal and business money. Then you need to use an accountant or consultant. If you don't have an in-house accountant, we are here to serve as your outsource accountant, outsource CFO, outsource tax consultant. So we are here to help you any day, anytime. So please, if this is your first time of connecting to our YouTube channel, please make sure you subscribe. This channel is for all business owners, all entrepreneurs, all professionals, all over the world. So we are a global business consulting firm. So we are here to help you, to partner with you for growth in your business. Then you need to review reports every month. You need to review reports on a monthly basis. It is very important. So if you don't understand your numbers, we are here to help you, give you clarity on your number. This is very important. So if you want to turn your accounting records into real cash in this year 2026, then TOSJOHN Consulting can help you review your books, recover your excess bank charges, and put your business on solid financial ground. So we are here to help you, to work with you. So you can send us a WhatsApp message. You can email us. We have all our contacts on our YouTube channel here. So you can reach out to us, or you can book a consultation today to work with you. So don't let your money stay trapped in your records. It's a gold mine that you need to unravel. So reach out to us and turn your accounting records into real cash in this year 2026. So thank you for staying through to this very important live streaming session. We appreciate you, we love you, and definitely we are rooting for your business. So that is why we are always showing up on this YouTube channel. So regardless of anywhere you may be all over the world, we are always available. We are always available, right, to give you all the necessary information, business strategy that you need to scale your business, to make your business to thrive in this year 2026. So thank you to everyone that have connected to our YouTube channel this morning, live streaming from anywhere you may be all over the world. We love you, we appreciate it. So TOSJOHN Consulting is your growth business support partner. We are your growth business support partner. So anywhere you may be all over the world, we are always available to work with you, to serve you in the best interest of your business, to scale your business, to ensure that your business is thriving. So we've helped a lot of businesses, give them clarity, put their books in proper shape, give them financial structures, help them to register their business for taxes. We cover millions of taxes, for them. So this is very important. Don't let poor book of accounts to deprive you of the gold mine that you need to, unravel, take advantage of in your business. So this channel is open to all business owners all over the world, from any continent of the world. And please make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn the notification button on so that you always get all our information. So we are still coming again for another live streaming because this channel is open 24/7 and we always be giving you all the information that you need to scale and thrive in your business. So until we come shortly in another live streaming section, please make sure you put your books in proper shape and reach out to us on all our professional consulting services from any continent of the world you are reaching out from. So thank you very much and stay compliant. Bye for now.